Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Few important instructions which every student need to follow on the day of the examination. Let's check it out. So first of all, here in your admit card itself, each and every instructions mentioned. Let's see the very first one. Once you will get your admit card, dear students, you need to check in your admit card whether your center, venue, okay, time, everything is correctly mentioned or not. And then you can go with the important instructions. What are these? I'm just reading for you. Please take care of these instructions. The very first is an electronic copy of the admit card is not acceptable. Printed copy only you need to show there. Okay, card must be presented for the verification along with the original valid photo identification document. You need to show your original ID card. Okay, original ID proof. Okay, submitted at the time of the application. In case the quality of the photograph on the identification document is poor, candidate must bring an additional recent valid photo ID, passport, PAN card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, any you can show. Okay. Second, the very important thing to facilitate the identity verification by the examination center personnel, candidate must report to the examination venue at least 90 minutes before the scheduled commencement time. Okay, please remember, if you are having time 9:30, then before 90 minutes you need to present there. If you are having exam on the 2:30 slot, then again you need to present there before 90 minutes. Okay, commencement of the examination, candidate will not be allowed to log in 30 minutes after the start of the examination. So please, dear students, take care of this one key. You need to just plan your traveling on the day of the examination, whether you need to check your how far is your center from your home. So please plan your traveling accordingly, otherwise you will lose this. Okay. Second, candidates will be permitted to occupy their seats before the scheduled start of the examination. Candidates can log in and start reading the instructions 20 minutes. So please read every instructions very carefully. You will have complete 20 minutes for reading those instructions. Okay, before the start of the examination. During the examination, a virtual scientific calculator will be available for you. So there is no requirement of that calculator which you are using. So it's clearly mentioned that personal calculator, mobile phone, watches of any kind or any other electronic devices are prohibited inside of the examination center. Okay, charts, tables, paper, book, sheet, anything you are not able to take. Even heavy ornaments are also not allowed to inside the test center. Okay. Then next important thing about the scribble pad. Lots of the students are having this query also, how we will use the scribble pad. So please read this one carefully. A scribble pad will be provided for the rough work. Candidate must write their name and registration number on the scribble pad before using it. A candidate can possess only one scribble pad at any point of the time. Okay, if the scribble pad gets filled in, candidates can ask for the another scribble pad after returning the previous one to the invigilator. If you will submit your previous one, then only you will get the extra or the next scribble pad. A scribble pad once surrendered will not be returned to the candidate. At the end of the examination, the scribble pad in possession of the candidate must be returned to the invigilator also. Yeah, candidate must bring their own pen and pencil, whatever is required. Candidates are also allowed to bring a transparent water bottle. Okay, no any other, only transparent water bottle is allowed there. Then candidates are not allowed to bring any items other than those mentioned here. Okay, so please take care. Examination center personnel are having some lockers there, but it's not safe. Okay, candidates will not be allowed to leave the examination hall before the end of the examination, and there you will have some information brochure. So please read that carefully and just behave very properly. Okay, and it's mentioned for the PWD candidates also who have been granted 1 hour compensatory time in the gate 25 examination are allowed to leave the examination hall after 12:30 p.m. in the forenoon, or in the afternoon it is after 5:30 p.m. So dear students, please read these important instructions very carefully before entering to the examination hall. Even one day before, you need to carry all your documents, whatever is required. Even you need to carry your special or extra photograph, okay, original ID proof, pen, pencil, water bottle, everything, whatever is required. Please be prepared with all these things. Thank you.